amene kuti zvinorevei to the future of Zimbabwe. Makadi hamani vadikanwe muri yese yeZimbabwe. Dipindure mu comment section. I just want to know how you are doing. So there's been a very important change in the army. Zvoti zvashamisa vanhu nokuti ma allies achiwenga paitwa ma certain changes avhudutsa vanhu. Sandaendera mberi nemashoko abuda ndokuzebwa subscribe like wotina on the bell icon. Let's take a look here. As you know, General Sanyatwe is an important figure in the Zimbabwe Defense Forces. He is known as the ZNA commander, a position which Valerio Zimbanda once occupied when General Chiwenga was the general commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces. So in other words, the position we know Sanyatwe having is that of the ZNA commander, but however, it seems there are now new changes here. Because according to this source, this guy Anonzi Majera Jeros, he is saying Sanyatwe is now an ambassador, of which when Sanyatwe was appointed ZNA commander, it was after he left his position as the ambassador there in Tanzania. What I don't really have now is knowing if this means Sanyatwe is no longer as his position as the ZNA commander or what. But if that is the case, then it means something might not be right in the Zimbabwe Defense Forces right now. So ndo mashoko ari kubuda achitaurwa panapa naJairos uyo achitaura kuti aiwa mu Zimbabwe Defense Forces mogona musina kumira twasa, mogona musina kumira mushe, notoona kuti ma allies aiwa achiwenga akuitwa ma certain changes muri Zimbabwe. Tiudze munoti kudii pamusoro penhau iyi, pinai comment section medu tidze mafungiro enyu. Musangano subscribe like chanotina on the bell icon. Tombo chana mabudisa ndokupa pano paZVAITWA News Live.